Modern automation stack, non-negotiable. Selenium gave you a solid base. Now it's about speed, reliability, and control. At your level, staying current isn't about chasing every new tool. It's about staying aligned with where QA and automation are heading next. Here's a sharp, high impact checklist to keep you ahead of the curve. What must be in your toolkit? Playwright, top priority. Cypress, API automation, REST plus GraphQL. Why this matters? Faster execution, less flakiness, built-in weights, network interception, tracing, designed for modern web apps. CI/CD plus DevOps, your automation backbone. If your tests aren't part of a pipeline, they are already behind. Master these platforms: Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD. What separates you from others? Building pipelines from scratch, parallel test execution, smart reporting plus alerts. Programming, your real differentiator. This is where most engineers plateau. Don't. Level up in Java, your strength, or maybe JavaScript, TypeScript. Critical for modern tools are these two languages, JavaScript and TypeScript. Focus areas: clean, maintainable code, design patterns, page object model, factory, builder, async handling, especially in JavaScript ecosystems. API and backend testing, critical shift. UI only testing is no longer enough. Core tools, Postman, REST Assured. Go deeper into contract testing, schema validation, API mocking. Cloud and containers, massive advantage. Modern systems are cloud native. Your tests should be too. Must understand Docker, Kubernetes, at least fundamentals. Why it matters: run tests in isolated environments. Scale execution effortlessly. AI in testing, the game changer. This is where senior engineers start pulling ahead. Explore actively AI generated test cases. Self healing automation. Smart debugging. Use AI for writing and optimizing tests. Debugging failures faster, generating realistic test data. Leverage tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT. Test strategy and architecture. True senior skill. Tools don't make you senior, decisions do. You should confidently design frameworks from scratch. Decide what not to automate. Apply test pyramid principles. Eliminate flaky tests. Master these concepts. Risk based testing strategy. Test framework architecture patterns. Quality metrics and return on investment ROI. Test environments and data strategy. Performance and security, high value edge. You don't need to specialize, but you should understand. Get comfortable with Apache JMeter, OWASP top 10 fundamentals. Core focus areas: performance testing and optimization, security vulnerability scanning, eliminating flaky tests, observability and debugging, modern QA reality. Execution is easy, diagnosis is very valuable. Build skills in logs, Splunk, Kibana, monitoring tools, app dynamics, root cause analysis. Core diagnostic focus, log analysis and pattern recognition. Infrastructure health checks, incident root cause isolation. Shift left plus shift right mindset. Quality is not a phase, it's continuous. Operate across the life cycle. collaborate early with devs is called shift left. Developer collaboration, code insights. Monitor real users in production. Shift right. Real user monitoring, production analytics. Core lifecycle focus. Early code reviews and test integration. Continuous monitoring and feedback loop. What takes you to the next level? To move toward lead architect roles, core initiatives to lead. CI/CD integration, test orchestration, build end-to-end CI/CD plus test ecosystems, framework design, code reusability, create reusable framework templates, mentorship programs, team development, mentor and scale team capability, GitHub profile, community impact, stay visible via GitHub contributions. These are 4 phases. Phase Panel 1, Panel 2, Panel 3. These are 4 phases. Key outcomes to achieve: efficient and robust pipelines, modular and maintainable code base, empowered and productive team, community recognition and influence. Focused roadmap tailored for you. Given your background in Selenium plus Java and current Playwright exposure, your next high impact moves: CI/CD integration, pipeline orchestration, build real CI/CD pipelines, Jenkins plus GitHub Actions, framework design, code reusability, create reusable framework templates, test orchestration, language depth, go deep into Playwright, TypeScript, or even JavaScript, backend testing, schema validation, strengthening API automation, rest assured. Practical skills to gain: containerization, environment isolation, learn Docker practically, AI in testing, smart debugging, start integrating AI into your workflow, modern tech stack, reduced flakiness, efficiently transition from Selenium, strategic planning, mentorships and scaling, prepare for lead architect roles.